Hi, you guys. I hope everybody's doing well. For this first week, we are going to be doing an activity that the students are familiar with. That we have been practicing this skill the whole year, so hopefully they'll be able to remember and help you as they complete this activity. My objective is going to be to represent a number using standard pictorial expanded and word form. So I just wanted to show you very quickly, when we represent numbers, we use the digits from 0 to 9, right? We put them together in a certain order so we can create numbers. The first thing I want to show you is my place value chart. Now, this is very important because the students need to understand that when we are representing numbers, depending on the place that digit has in a number, it's going to give it a different value. So for example, if I have 1,154, right? This one is worth 1,000. And 1,000 is way more than just this 100. So there is a big difference in the value, right? My 5 will represent 50 because it's 5 tenths. And my 4 is just 4 because it's 4 units. So this is very important because it shows the students that, even though this is the same number, 1 and a 1, the one over here on the far left is going to be way bigger than this one because of the place it has within the number. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is show you our word form, and we're going to go from word form to standard form. So let's say I have 1,100 24. So that's my word form, 1,124. And if I want to write that number in standard form, that will be just using my digits again from 0 to 9 in the right order. So 1,000, I'll have my 1,124. So this is my standard form. It's just the way we write the numbers regularly. So now I'm going to show you how to go from the standard form to expanded form. Very similar to what I show you with the place value chart. So one more time, I have my standard form, 1,124. So if I want to write that number expanded form, what I would do is, depending on the place value, I'm going to separate each one of those numbers. So my first number will be 1,000. So I'll write it as 1,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 4. So here is my standard form and here is my expanded form. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to go from expanded form to pictorial form. So once again, we have 1,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 4. So I'm just using the same exact number that I was using over here. So this is my expanded form. Now I'm going to write it in pictorial form. So the way we represent our thousands is we draw a cube. This might be a little difficult for the students, and that's okay. Just ask them to do their best. That's all that matters. Then I have my 100 which is a big square, 20. So here I would have two tens. So that would be 10, 20 with lines. And then I have 4 units. And we do that with dots. And that will represent 1,124. All right, so that's it for now. I'm gonna upload another video to show you the graphic organizers I want the students to complete, and I'm gonna show you how to do them. So in case you don't have a printer, you can just make the chart yourself on a piece of paper. It's not hard, and you're able to complete it. If you do have a printer, I am going to put a link within that video where you're gonna find a whole document, so you can just print it out and it tells you which ones to do on which day of the week.